If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today we're doing a second photo critique or illustration of what the storytelling is all about in photographs. This is, I'm going to say not simpler, but a simplified version or an illustration of this. For this key, that lighting is important in telling our story, the object is important in telling our story. Having the unexpected item in that shot is perhaps part of our twist, but if there's nothing unexpected in the photograph, then the information, which is the resolution and the conclusion of our photograph, while not being buried wholly or totally, they need to be projected, but also they need to be sought after. And that's one of the reasons for creating the hook, is to draw the attention of the person to be able to see the storyline, the plot of it all, to be able to see the twist, to then make sense of the resolution, but then to have that lingering question of who is this, or what's this all about? What was that time frame? And to leave that information there so that in such a way, the information being found, they go, oh, there it is. That draws all the information together and it makes so much sense. This, this photograph is of a bunch of documents. And while the documents may have been less sought after of an item to be photographed, they provide a unique challenge because it's a bit hard to come up with the method of getting it shot. So it's intriguing. The way it was used, the lighting that's used, the intrigue of its ambiance, its setting. I don't know if you can read this in the video or not, but the signature is what's greatest in focus, and it is the item which draws interest for this product. But then the stamp is also important there, of date and time for the postal stamp. But I wanted to make sure that I had certain things in focus, certain things that drew attention, certain things that would be seen first, things that would be seen secondarily, things that would be seen and go, wait a minute, that's an odd twist. Item number 3, right? So then with the information there, they start puzzling that twist out. Within it is the resolution. And then the resolution leads to the conclusion. So this information here in this photograph is very interesting, being the overall look and the signature quickly being recognized, the hook. It's also part of the story. So the rest of the items out of focus draw more information into, but then, oh, wait a minute. That leading line of the shadow leads to the postmark. The postmark, oh, I see, oh, interesting. I read more about that. That's an odd twist. But that also, okay, yeah, makes sense. It gives me the resolution, and then the overall emotion and story of it brings about the conclusion of the story. So I hope that these illustrations, these last couple days of a photograph that I've shot and created, formed the same kind of understanding you've gotten as we've been dealing with and explaining a storytelling method in photography, that it's helped you be able to place these specific items together in how that you can create your own story, giving the hook to be able to draw people in to want to see and learn more, that they see your story plot, that they see the twist, they are interested to stick around for the resolution, and that they see your conclusion, and it draws them into being sold on viewing more of your product to to buy your product and to continue coming back to you with the quality and the quantity you're putting into your work. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you come back. We hope that our own hooks here are drawing you back to learn more, to be able to level up, and to improve your photography 1% at a time, as we're doing here, both in our photography and this video training leveling up channel here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber, we would love to have your subscription and add you to our Photos family. Thank you so much. God bless.